found a bag, which I was. By the way, we also got this table pretty much cleaned off. I got like so sidetracked there. Back to the bag. I found this bag, and I was gonna have to wait to take the power valve out of the cylinder. I was gonna have to wait until Dad gets home with some bags, but I found a bag. So I think, wait. Hang on. No. Well, I mean, okay, it's already done, and we have it really torn apart here. But that's not happening this video. Not happening this video. The beta is going to be its own video.
Alright, so I said the beta video was going to be its own thing, and it is. It's now. Now is the beta video. So let's show those power valves coming out and the rest of it. We got to split the crank. We got to do the top end. Yeah, there's a lot to do. Let's get into it.
Alright, so last night, me and Dad, we separated it and got the crank out. The crank bearing, the one inside of here, I guess connecting rod bearing? I don't know, whatever. That one is melted. That thing's like gone. There's no more bearingage to it. And it's pretty sloppy. So that's probably why it vibrated so much, and also probably why it died. This bearing is not awful. It's definitely not perfect, because you could use a new bearing. And this bearing is shot. That thing is done for. It's got hard spots all in it. So, but these covers are all nasty, so I'm gonna clean them up in the parts washer. Clean up this one. I don't know if I'm gonna clean up this one. Probably not. It's not too bad. So yeah, let me clean up these parts. Alright, parts have been cleaned. I also popped the bearings out for the crank. They're over here. I got the two seals. One I kind of messed up. The other seal's fine, but got new ones on the way, so what does it matter? Alright, so it's been a little while, but back on with the beta project. We got the 20-ton press from Papa's old shop. So we got that. So now we can press the crank out. Oh wait, we already did. Forgot to record. So we pressed the crank apart. Over here. So we got one web, two web, stuff. So, yeah. Shouldn't really matter, does it?
Does not.
Good to check, though. Alright, I think that's the engine complete. We got that kickstart kit in there now. That's nice. It works as it's supposed to. We got everything is done except for, I think all we got to do is this one bolt down here. We had some issues with, so my dad's got some thread cleaning stuff, like a tap basically, and we're going to put that in there. And he's got some new screws to put on there and make it nice. So we rebuilt the bottom end, put a new top end on it, and we put the kickstart kit because it's out. And then since we have it all torn apart, we got a new skid plate. We got a seat cover. We still got to put the staples in. It won't take long. We got some new foot pegs. We got new radiators coming and a new fan coming. And then after it's running good, we'll probably get new plastics for it. And that'll be one wicked machine. I'm also going to go through, because these things are supposed to be oil injected, and a lot of people do the oil delete for the oil injection to delete the system, which is fine. I mean, I guess they're not known for having super great electronics, so that's why they do it. The person who did it, but there's all the cables. There's like a cable bunch like this that goes through the whole machine, and it's really annoying when I'm working on it. So I'm going to try to remove as much as possible, because in theory all you need is your spark, your stator, your battery, your starter, and like that should be it. Because there's no dashboard. Like there's supposed to be a dashboard for the things, right the thing, but there's nothing. So I'm going to try to just remove as much as possible so it's simplified and should be good to go. But yeah, let's continue.
I'm compressing 5 pounds of spaghetti into one handy mouth-sized bar.
much though.
You're not going right anywhere. Ooh. Okay. Come in. Come in. Turn the fuel on and give it a minute. Okay, pull the choke off. Full throttle.
Too much flooded, or what do you think? Too much or too little?
Probably followed that plug.
I think so. Okay. All right, so we gotta wash it to get some of the mud off it that's still residual from the last time I rode it about a year ago. Never washed it because I thought it was out of fuel, and no, it was not out of fuel. Anyway, so we gotta wash it, and then we gotta put the frame guards here. We gotta put the skid plate here, and then it should be pretty much ready to go. Oh wait, no, we gotta actually find some guards for here first, real quick. So yeah, that's about a wrap on this project, though.